Today we have a 2-pack mixer. We've got 2024 Topps Allen and Ginter and 2024 Topps Heritage. Let's see what we got. Clayton Kershaw. Masanori Murakami. Check out those teeth. Ichiro. Jonathan Clase, rookie card. Musician Andrew Kochik. Will Smith. Many of Carlos Beltran. And I do believe that is a unique back. And we got Buzzin', the Fairy Bee. Here's the backs of the rest of them. Here we go with the Heritage. Rhys Hoskins. Spencer Steer with a Gold Cup. Geraldo Perdomo. Andrew Haney. Jose Cuis. Kyle Bradish. Nolan Shawno rookie card. Then and Now, Joe Morgan and Juan Soto. Quite a comparison. And Austin Riley. And if you like Daily Rips, please like and follow.